Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, can you keep up with all those puzzles? The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, July the 21st, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. And yeah, we have two puzzles left, the binary and the tectonic with 4 stars, but it's now binary time. So this binary number 4888 triple eight 4888, yes, 4888. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Then here, now I need to think. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. If I place the fourth one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the second column, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. Between 2 1s comes an O. Where can I Come on. Do I need to compare so soon? 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, seems like I need to compare 101. Yeah, this column and that column. Empty box. 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box. 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. When we have a 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Three, three, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now need to compare again. Listen. Well. Double one here. No. Oh, one here. This is not the same. Not the same. Double. No. Okay. Yeah, we need to compare. Oh, I've moved the camera. This column again and that column again. No, that column. Okay. Yeah, can you see this? Yes. 111100 empty box. Empty box 110000. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Yeah. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay, now those two rows or columns, I think the column I need to compare is this one and the last one. Empty box 110000111110. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 7 minutes. Great. Binary. Yes. A lot of comparing, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.